Is it a tortoise or a turtle? You don't have to Google it. Visual intelligence on your iPhone will look it up for you. This feature on your iPhone is called Visual Lookup. It helps you identify plants, landmarks, places, animals, and much more. Open up a photo in your Photos application. At the bottom of your screen is your info button. Typically, you're going to see it just a lowercase I with a circle. But if Visual Lookup is working and your photo has this option, it will turn into an eye with a star. It might even be a fork and a knife if you're looking at a food product. Depending on what you're trying to look up, this symbol may change, but you are looking for the info button in the middle bottom of your screen. Select this icon to look up what is in your photo. You'll notice at the top here, I have the look up feature, and this is telling me that it is a gopher tortoise. Let's explore this a little bit more. From here, select continue, and now you can search the web straight from your photo to learn more. To exit out of this, you can simply select exit and then swipe back down for the photo. This would work the same if you were looking up a plant. You'll notice I have my plant info icon here at the bottom. Select that, and right from my photo, instead of look at these orange flowers, I can enhance that and say, look at this beautiful marigold. Visual Lookup also can identify food and provide you with possible recipes for you to take to the kitchen. To manage this setting, navigate to your settings icon and simply search visual, and you are going to select enhanced visual search from your apps and photos. And from here, you can turn this on or off. If perhaps your photos are only showing the info icon at the bottom, you might need to toggle this on. Don't forget to like and comment on this video if it was helpful for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all of our tips and tricks videos, and I will see you in the next video.